Get acquainted with the 2017 Mini Hardtop. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a view of this fun-loving Mini Cooper hardtop. Whether you choose the 2-door or 4-door, automatic or manual transmission, this spirited hatchback will reignite your passion for driving. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, AM/FM stereo, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Rediscover the joy of driving when you're at the wheel of this charismatic Mini Cooper hardtop. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.